November day. But this is the view from room 2066 at Villa Copenhagen. And look, there are people swimming in the pool just outside. Must be jolly cold for them. I hope it's heated. This used to be the sorting office, the post office sorting office. And it's an absolutely brilliant conversion. And my room is a corner room, and they've tucked a bathroom into the middle of the room, so to speak. Very clever. This is the bathroom. See it? And when you close the door, who would ever think that there's a bathroom inside that? It's very Danish, and it's a funny shaped hotel. It's a T with a circle at the bottom. I'm not sure where I am. I think I'm at the top left hand of the whole drawing. I know I'm a jolly long way from the elevators, but it's a nice walk because in this weather I'm not going to go outside. And I've got a safe. The one thing I must say is that the woodwork everywhere is absolutely gorgeous. It's satin smooth. And I've got some books. And I'm already getting stuck into work because I've got to make an air reservation very urgently. It's not a big space, but it's just very well thought out. Extraordinary overhead lights, look. And just one artwork, a squiggle. And the bed has 2 single duvets side by side. All looks jolly nice. Let's have a look at the view because this is a corner room. So let's see what the view is this way. I'm here for the Roulet Chateau meeting. Not such a nice view, but what can one expect? Sunday afternoon in November, central Copenhagen.